Check out this odd concern on a 2010 Taurus show. Whenever you're going down the road hitting the brakes at higher speeds, the back end like kicks out and self-corrects itself. So it's like a weird little fishtail it does every time you hit the brakes. So what I did is I checked the brakes all the way around, put it on the lift, everything's good to go, they're all new anyways. And then I also checked the suspension, everything's good to go and tight, could not find the concern. I decided to jack up the rear end of the vehicle under the lower control arm with a jack like the olden days, and look what I found. Yeah, the whole back end is loose and basically coming apart. Let me bring it a little bit closer here to see the deflection. Look at the amount of deflection my little arms are doing to this tire. Compare that to the weight of the vehicle throwing this thing around. Now what's happening here is the rear toe link right there, which is basically a tie rod end for the rear, is loose in its socket. It's worn in its nylon socket, so it has no control over the rear toe of the vehicle. It just kind of flops around. Very, very, very dangerous to drive. So it just goes to show that there's more than one way to skin a cat, I guess you could say.